Yep, it went through.
We gotta put well with that.
We need water on this.
Yeah, that was it. We gotta put out the.
We gotta put out the typewriter.
Should he